It's Ronz. Now, we all know that I am an iPhone user. iPhone, Apple Watch, man, I got all the Apple products, AirPods, all that stuff, right? But today, we are at Best Buy because we gotta look at that Galaxy Z Fold, man. I don't know, man. That phone looks crazy. That and the flip, that phone looks crazy. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna take a look at it, you know, from my perspective. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it, but that's a nice phone, so stay tuned. We're gonna look at it. Yeah. All right, y'all. So the phone by itself is super cool. Right here is the Z Flip 7, okay? It's super small, super lightweight. But the one thing I can say about it, first little quirk, it is kind of hard to open. Like, you can't open it with one hand. Like, you literally can't, okay? But yeah, this is the phone right here. It's high quality. I mean, it's a Samsung, you know what I mean? It's a flagship phone. Everything is super smooth, super fast. And yeah, I don't know, I just love it. You can just flip it, close, and yeah, cool. But now, you know what I mean? Until I left right here, we got that Z Fold 7. Now, just off the pickup, it's super thin. It's crazy lightweight. It doesn't even feel real. Like, honestly, it doesn't even feel real. You can fold it. The screen on the outside, super duper nice. The 3 cameras, you know what I mean? It's super cool. It's just like, it's a flagship phone. It's crazy. Okay, look, now the same like the Z Flip 7. It's kind of hard to open with one hand. Like, you can do it. Like, I eventually got it. But it's kind of hard to open with one hand. And like for a foldable, you should be able to like operate with one hand. All right, y'all. Right here, I finally get to like test out the phone. I was just like so amazed by like how thin it was. Because listen, y'all, this is a crazy like device, okay? And cool thing, this is like Nintendo 3DS mode, okay? Like, I was just hyped up about it because you can like just fold the screen, and I don't know, I was just super hyped up about it. This phone literally is a 10 out of 10. I don't know how many times I gotta say it. Look, Galaxy, Samsung, send me a one to review. Like, the reviewers are reviewing this thing. It's like a super this cool product. And then yeah, like, it's awesome. And this phone right here, oh my gosh, this is for like all the content baddies, okay? I'm not gonna hold you guys. I was sitting there for like probably like 45 minutes, man, playing with the phone. I ain't gonna lie. That technology is crazy. Like y'all, I'm gonna show you, right? It's a little bit thicker than this. But imagine these business cards, okay? The phone is not that, like, it's about like this. It's not that much. It's insane. It's a foldable phone, right? Like, when you fold it, it's about the size of like a regular iPhone. You know what I mean? When you fold it, but when you unfold it, it's so thin. Like, y'all, the technology is crazy. I didn't buy it, but Samsung, if you see this video, send me one of these, because that thing it's insane. Like, and that was just like 30 minutes. Like, oh my gosh, I never really thought I wanted like a foldable phone until now, because that phone is honestly, the technology is crazy, y'all. Like, iPhone, we got Apple, I got some catching up to do, because after this testing get for a little bit, like, I was ready to put the phone in my pocket and walk out the store, because like, man, iPhone can't do that. No, iPhone can't do that, okay? And you can like flip the screen, like fold it, and like have like a keyboard and like look at it, or when you're taking selfies in the fold mode or unfolded mode, right? But you can like, I'm gonna call it in laptop mode, you know what I mean? In laptop mode, you can like look at yourself. Yo, that phone is crazy. And then the regular Z Flip, you know what I mean? That's cool too. No, and it's crazy to me, right? How the one with the bigger screen is much skinnier than one with like just like the regular screen. Like, it's yeah. Look, man, if I had the money, I would be buying one today. But yeah, Samsung, you know what I mean? Hey, send me one to review. Let me keep it. Yeah, man, but whew, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. So I see what the hype is about. You know what I mean? I see what the hype is about. The camera was super clear. Everything about it was super clear. I really can't record too much, you know what I mean? Because like I said, I'm just in Best Buy. But yeah, man, it's insane. So with me, I even had the phone, but I've heard great reviews about it. So if y'all been debating right where to buy the phone, first and foremost, you gotta see it in person, right? It's ridiculous. It's so cool, you know. It's so cool and so lightweight. It's so cool, right? You gotta see it in person. Oh yeah, the little crease thing in the middle, yo, I pulled up my YouTube video. You know what I mean? I didn't see no crease. Like, I didn't see no crease. The only time I seen the crease was if the screen was like this off. You know what I mean? And it wasn't like a crease. My recommendation, if y'all want one, go and get one. Don't even hesitate. That phone is expensive, but the technology, that might be a premium product that, you know, you might have to pay for, because that was something pretty cool. But yeah, that's all I really got for this video. Let me know if you want me to go check something else out, because that's yeah, I'm lost for words. So I'll see you guys in the next video. ronz out. Oh yeah, Samsung, hook a guy up. But